Our next guest, Miss Amrita Magdala, whose love for nature and for Gaia, the earth and humanity represents, has moved Amrita into the exploration of consciousness. A journey that ongoingly opened towards unrealized possibilities, normally unimaginable to our current state of realization. Creating unity is finding love as the thread that unites all traditions, all relations, all beings on the earth. As the expression of her soul, she helps now the arising awareness through the arts in the form of music and art. Founder of the Voice of Gaia, a movement raising consciousness through music and art, inspiring love for Mother Earth and humanity.
Yo soy el que soy. Yo soy el que soy. Yo soy el que soy. Allah, yo, el, Allah, all one, all words are one, all words are one. Come to the vibration within the heart. Come to the rhythm of the heart. Come listen to Mother. She sings in the birds. She whispers in the trees. She hums Allah, Amen. All is one. All we are one. All the nation people, the Star Nation people, the native people, the wild people, come to the mind people. We are one. Mind, many minds, many thoughts, one heart. Beautiful mind, mind, powerful minds, one heart. Many thoughts, many talks, one heart. Come to Mother. Come to Mother. Come to Mother. She speaks in the crystals of the water. Mother is in you. You are in Mother. Mother is Father, Father and Mother are one. There's no separation, only in the mind. How do I come here and speak to you? All I know is of this earth, of this land we all walk. All I know is of this earth I walk, we walk. I am you. You are me. Only love. Now, if we come when we speak to the same place as when we sing, maybe we'll start understanding one mind. This is the most beautiful, the most difficult task we have ahead. To slow down the mind. How? I don't know these things. I just met Mother Nature. Now we have very few pristine spaces left. They are our treasure. They are our way in. I would invite all scientists for retreats of silence. They will come out with new science. I will also bring many people that now only know a certain depth to come and start thinking more. People, sometimes we need to meet. Some people think they're walking love, not through understanding, yes. The only way for the sharpness of mind is to make silence yoga. The beauty now is that all of you have brought these amazing words I didn't know to match the experience. I hope you come and see this beautiful lady here, Michiko. She will bring the most beautiful, amazing work that I've ever seen from science just yet. From Dr. Masaru Emoto, where they photograph the water crystals. All is consciousness. Now, what do we understand when we say all? Why do we make these classifications? Where do we get lost? Please, if you don't understand, do what I did. I heard one phrase, all is mind, all is one. I couldn't understand it. So I never stopped until I understood. It took me a lifetime. One phrase. It came through nature. I understood. Make silence until you understand one thing. To understand one thing is enough. To be sincere enough to tell yourself, I don't fully understand what that means, takes a lot of courage and truth. We need truth now, honesty. This is coherence, the path of the heart. The highest coherence, and when we are honest with ourselves. We don't need to tell the world, keep it secret. Because when you expose it, it loses charge. It's your little egg. So Dr. Bricken told me to give you a practice. And I thought, what can I give them? Truth, be honest. Please, next slide. I saw this through nature. Mother told me everything. If we look at a lake, yes, in Sweden it was incredible, huh? I live in Sweden. It's all lakes. Well, this is beautiful to understand. We are looking at nature, but nature is also looking at us. It is all one, but if I look at you, you also look at me, right? I don't say, my friend is not there. Why do we say nature is not there looking back? I leave this question open. I know you've gone all the way back to the void, to emptiness, but you need to return from the emptiness. Because both are happening at the same time, emptiness and all. They are simultaneous, they are not separate, they are ongoing. But we only can perceive it in space-time, so we think we need to go back to emptiness and stay there. Or we see everything and we stay in the multiplicity, and we need to go beyond and start being multidimensional. It's all happening at the same time. Please, next slide. Nature is looking back at you. Now, God, I'm going to give you something to practice on. God is also longing for you. How about that? You're not only longing for God, God is also longing for you. Now, this is sacred because, yes, there's no separation, but there's still two. This is a sacred mystery. Don't fight it. It's one and two and the all. You and the other one. So we need to go back. When I looked at the sun, it opened all its secrets. If we look at and gaze at the sun, can you see that there's so many things in there? We see one, but all is included in there. This is the farthest picture they've made of the sun. Incredible detail. Can we go to the next? All I know is by looking at nature. When I looked at the moon, it was reflecting the sun, but in different stages. That's us, all the multiplicity. It's just one circle. Yeah, it's just the reflection. Now, you can go to the black moon, the emptiness, the void, the source, or you can go to the fullness of all things, the white moon, the full moon. It's all there. It's all written for us to read. Now, if you stay in one or the other one, you're missing half of the picture. I welcome us to please bring them both together. It's dissolution and involution and evolution. It's being all and nothing. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much for listening. Look at the things. I give you one thing if you can walk it. One practice. When I saw that everything was my mirror, I welcome everyone as my mirror. And I welcome life as my guru. Nature as my guru. You are nature too. Everybody who comes to me is nature. So I learned that everybody who came was my lesson. If I was angry, I needed to find that was in me. So I made it. If someone made me angry, I didn't blame them. I found that in me and resolved it. So this is something that I give to you. Find it. If you're not finding it, you're not digging enough. So everything that was moving and hard, I made it mine. And everything that was beautiful, I saw it in the other one. When it's beautiful, gift it. When it's hard, claim it. This practice I give you. When someone is moving you, see the good in them. But take that harshness as yours and soften it. This is the sacred mirror, I call it. That was my practice for many years. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell that person you're doing it. If you break this and tell it, it won't work. The more you do this, the more Mother will start revealing its sacred language. Can we go fast to the next images? Next. Hello. last, maybe no. All is sound. That's how I knew nature is telling me all is sound. I saw a sound wave. And it was telling me, when you are reflecting with love in calmness, it shows a perfect mirror. I don't know if we will get to the last. We are running late. When you sit in nature, yes, please take your time. Look, you will see something every time. But you need to give it enough time, yes? Grandmother, maybe it's your time. How are we doing with time? They are not giving me? Okay, so that is the practice. I hope you understand. I pick it up from one of the speakers at the beginning that was calling it karma yoga. Am I right? Yeah? So when you desire something, let it go. Don't crave, don't hold on. Enjoy it while it lasts. Let go. When you want to reject something, accept it. Sit with it and let it soften, because that hardness is there. That's the only practice. I could come up with many more, but Mother, if you do this simple one, will bring you more, because she becomes your guru if you start listening. Thank you so much. I'm honored to be here. I'm honoring the land of the rishis. Hope we can merge our, yes, they're longing for us, they're calling for us. They left this message in the bottle for us, so we would get it. They're waiting. We need to come to them. We need to come more here. Thank you so much.